Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to study about keyboard. You can see here, what is this? This is a keyboard. It is a flat rectangular box. You can see rectangle. It is in the rectangle shape. It is a flat rectangular box and it has many keys on it. You can see these buttons are called keys. These are called keys. So buttons are called keys. So it has many keys on it and we can type using these keys on a keyboard. Now computer has different type of keys. So let's study that. The first one is alphabet keys. You can see here different alphabets are written: Q, W, E, R, T. The alphabets are written from A to Z. So these are the alphabet keys. They are English alphabets, right? And these are used for typing words or sentences. The alphabets are used for typing words or sentences. So these are called alphabet keys. They are all English alphabets. Okay. The next one is function keys. You can see here it is written, see, F1, F2, F3. These are function keys. It is used to perform special task. The function keys are from F1 to F12. Now the next are cursor keys. That is this. These are cursor keys. You can see the cursor keys, the arrows up, down, left, right. These are cursor keys. So these keys are used to move the sentences or cursor up, down, left or right. The next one is numeric keys. That is the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So these are numeric keys. It is comprised of numbers. They are used for typing the numbers. Now the next are more keys. There are more keys like caps lock key, shift key, enter key, spacebar key. So I am going to tell you the role of different keys. The first one is this, that is caps lock. You can see it is written over here, CAPS, caps, LOCK, lock, caps lock. We use caps lock key to type capital letters. It is positioned on left hand side. ये आपकी left hand side में रहता है keyboard के. And it is used to write the type anything in capital letter. The next one is enter key. You can see the enter key. It is used for moving the letter to the next line. This is called enter key. It is placed on two sides of the keyboard. See, the first one is this and the second side is this. This is enter key. There are two. It is placed on two sides. So this is enter key. And the next one is spacebar key. The longest key on the keyboard is spacebar key. It is used for giving a blank space between two sentences or two words while typing. Okay, so these are different keys. The first one are alphabet keys. That is, it has numbers from A to Z. It has alphabets from A to Z. You can type using the alphabet keys. The second one is function keys. That is F1, F2, F3. It is up to F1. It starts from F1 and until F12. The next one is cursor keys. That is this one, arrows, 4 arrows up, down, left, right. These are cursor keys. It is used for moving up, down, left, right on the monitor. This monitor, it is used for moving here. And the next one is numeric keys, the numbers from 1 to 0. It is used for typing numbers. The next is caps lock key. It is used for writing in capital letters, typing in capital letters. Enter key, it is used for moving in next line. The enter keys are placed on two sides of the keyboard. The first one is this and the second one is this. The enter keys are placed on two sides and it is according to different keyboards. The places are according to different keyboards. Like in my keyboard, it is placed here and here. But it can happen that in another keyboard it is placed one here and another some other place. So the keyboard enter key can be placed anywhere. And the last one is spacebar key, that is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used for giving space to the between different sentences, different words. So you have to go through this video, read the chapter, know about different keys, just revise about different keys. What are the different keys? You have to revise what are their functions, and you have to send the video of that. You have to speak that what is the function of alphabet keys. So you have to speak the different functions. You have to learn what are the different keys in the keyboard and what are their uses. And you have to send the video to your respective class teachers. Thank you.